Mina nje ndala vele bengibukela iArsenal neLiverpool. Kuthi la khona bobuka iPirates namaZulu. Mina bese ngibuka Orlando Pirates namaZulu igame ebhora kanjalo. But bengibuka ibhola laseEngland, bengibuka igame laseEngland kule gijinyiswana khona. Ngibuka iLiverpool neArsenal. What a game bafowethu. Abasinike yona iPirates namaZulu. Wow. I think le game bafowethu I game of the season so far. Game of the season. Bahubhana abantu. You know Orlando Pirates inhloso zayo bokuthi vele beyisheshisa amaZulu. Bewasheshisa amaZulu bekwazi ukusheshe bekora beyipress because bayazi ukuthi bazophatha ibhola kangcono first half bekwazi ukuthi bethu kuyikhinyabeza. Okubasebenzele ukuthi first half bakwazi ukuthola igoli bakwazi ukumanage igame. Even second half first 20 minutes bakwazi ukumanage igame but amaZulu abuya amasub ongena kwaloya number 2. Wow bafowethu. I think uZwane is a good coach. AmaZulu yakwazi ukuthi ekhulume nalabo bafana bemuzwa into abayenzile beletha kweOrlando Pirates. Ingakho sengikwazi ukuthi mina isikhathi esiningi second half amaZulu wona abane better game. Ingakho ngingasho ukuthi le game it was a game of two halves ngokwami. Pirates yes kube nalawo moments kodwa bese kubalancile amaZulu kodwa towards the end of the game bese iPirates ivike ucelemba ngezandla. Rele Mfukeng as a gogodla weOrlando Pirates was step up again. Washaya igoli ekuyilona bafuthu belihle kakhulu. I was shocked ukubona umkwele urele bafuthu ekora ngekhanda. Beautiful goal eqhamuka ku former amaZulu player ekuyena uMorem. Binhle kakhulu bafuthu ivision yakhe ibona benhle kakhulu ukuthatha le bhola leqisa ama defender komthetho lapha nomunye umthetho bafuthu ube umunye wabadlali obene game enhla befuna ukuyiprove noHana Map good kakhulu Hana Map going forward ukumakeni bemnandi yabo. But as a whole Orlando Pirates idlala kahle kakhulu. Now kuyavika ucelemba ngezandla sibisi kwenza enye block ebaleka kakhulu. Hey although bafethu le game ingabanga nalo moments ukuthi goalkeeper sembona seza ama save but ngendlela behlaselayo ngaba bafethu nama goal I think abekho enough for le game. 4-3 3-2 4-4 3-1 5-3 5-4 iscore bafethu besifanele le game. Rele Mfukeng again ngasekupheleni kwe game wathi ubona inet la shayipana kuwe la shaya goalkeeper ekoba on goal ukwenza ukuthi kube u2-0. Indlela ya celebrate ngakhona bekufanele cause igame ibi tough for ama Buccaneers. Ukushuta ama Buccaneers back to top of the log. AmaZulu adropa ahlala ku number 4. Siyazi ukuthi kutheqala igame Pirates already besiphezulu amaZulu ebelapha na ku number 3 so asiqinihlile ku 3 ku4 Orlando Pirates yahlala ku1.
Bafethu Liboni Siema, what a gem of a defender bafethu, the great wall of Orlando Pirates. What a performance bafethu. And manje the more and more I perform kanje, the more and more I get worried bafethu because these American teams they are really coming for our young talented players bafethu. The more and more Uliboni Siema performs bafethu, the more and more I get worried because labantu laba bafethu bavele babeke nje 50 million. Orlando Pirates ivume bamthatha umdlali bafethu. And manje bafethu mina I still want to see the boy ball for the next 3 seasons maybe in the PSL, right? If he has to leave, okay, let him win the league with Orlando Pirates this season, then he can leave bafethu. Because what a defender bafethu, what a defender bafethu. There was a point where bekadlala i1 mfana uyapasa uyadefender bafethu. There was a point where he was even covering uSbisi. Sbisi had a solid game 9 namhlanje bafethu. I have to give it to him. But Liboni Siema bafethu, if it wasn't for Urele Mfukeng namhlanje, I think he was going to take that man of the match award home namhlanje bafethu. What a performance, what a defender. Umjita grabbed the opportunity with both hands. I didn't even think of him bafethu my qali season, but the guy grabbed the opportunity to coach Abdeslam Wadu wamnike yona. Wathi I'm gonna show my talent to South Africa bafethu. Hugo Bros ngiyacela madala.
Namhlanje andazi noma mandifonele ntoni, noma mandifonele iChiefs, noma mandifonele amaZulu, noma mandifonele iSundowns. Hayi kame ndifonele iSundowns le. Bacinga ukuthi ba special greater. Ukuthi ba special greater ingxaki yawo. The pain is all over. Yeah. Hello sisi. Cela ukuza ze-office zeMamelodi Sundowns ezo. Oh, okay, good. Yes, uthetha naye. Utumela Trom. I-speak person sabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates. I-Pirates le number 1 kwiloko. We are very excitement. Sibaxelela ke sithi sine game in hand. But hayi i-game in hand ayizo points. Kunjani xa kunje? Sorry. Sisiyayiqonda besidlala namaZulu but divende confused namhlanje ngazi noma masiqale sifonele iChiefs kuba siqale sasusa yona ku number 2 then ke ngosazosusa nina kuna number 1. Suniphoxa kaloku sisi. Uyaniphoxa kaloku xa usitsho kanjalo. No, sis, the reason ndifonela wena kaloku it's because nina lanto ocimba ni special. Sundowns inalanto ocimba ispecial icimba mhlambe yona ifunde private school apha ku PSL thina sizizinto nje icimba ispecial Sundowns ngoku sifuna uniprovela kule season uba anikho special sifuna ijazi mazixola umoya ngoku back to amanye amavukuvu hak utropile shaba bakanye shaba yabona ngoku sifuna niye usibize Orlando Pirates sifuna nisibize Operation Dudula FC. Siqale sasusa iChiefs ku number 2, suse iSundowns ku number 1. Asazi basawususa ntoni mo. Sifuna ususa madoda iJohn. Hey venye into efuna ususa. Yo.
Oh my goodness. Mufokeng, it's time to leave. Boss, yeah. Mufokeng, you can see your fellow teammates have taken offers overseas. It's time for you to join them. We can't suffer Mufokeng every weekend and every weekday match. Enough Mufokeng. It's time to leave. And I've been saying it for a very long time. I can't be saying it again still in February 2026. Mufokeng, leave. After one, you open up with a low block from kickoff. You're basically showing fear. You're saying, Pirates, I'm scared of you. I'm going to hold back until later in the game, then I can hit you on transition. No, take the game to Orlando Pirates. If you win the game, you go top of the log. 3 points, you are number 1, Amazulu. When last have you been number 1 on the log? And another thing I want to understand, how come whenever these teams play Orlando Pirates, it's like these teams cannot play any football? It looks like Amazulu was put together 30 minutes before the game. Because these guys, first 10, 15, 20 minutes, they couldn't even pass 1 meter away from each other. They were all shaking. What does Pirates do to these teams? But let them play Kaizer Chiefs. You'll see a different animal. These teams become the Pep Guardiola's 2017 Manchester City. The patterns of 2019, whichever the Manchester City was deadly. They become this team with triangle patterns, formations when they play Kaizer Chiefs. But no, when they play Pirates, they don't know any football. Amazulu literally twerked for Orlando Pirates today. I saw Amazulu twerking. They only woke up in the 75th minute. Then they were like, oh yeah, we're playing a football match. Then they started getting forward. It's too late. You are 1-0 down, and that's when you open up. And then what happens? You concede the second goal. But the only good thing about this thing now, you always have to look at the positives. We are all on 15 games. Pirates 15 games, Sundowns 15 games, Kaizer Chiefs 15 games. Pirates 3-point lead over Mamelodi Sundowns, but that doesn't matter because that 3-point Sundowns can catch it when they play each other. That's why Sundowns must get the win. And I'm still saying with my chest, Orlando Pirates is not winning the league. Mamelodi Sundowns is winning the league. Kaizer Chiefs, we're just playing for top 8 for now. But yeah, I just remembered, you are all people. I took 100 rands and I said Amazulu's winning. Tomorrow people want their money. But Amazulu, you see how much faith I had in you. I put money on the line. Now I remember, people, I have to give people money tomorrow. 100 rand, because I was loud saying Amazulu's going to win. There's no way Athazani loses to Orlando Pirates. Now look.
Alright bafethu, iOrlando Pirates sivele yavulela induku lapha eMoses Mabhida Stadium kubulawa amaZulu. Babulawa nje kufanele. Rightfully so. Ibingeke yenza njani bekufanele bashawe and futhi ayikho into emangazayo ngalento eyenzekela yinto ebesivile silindele. iPirates is on form. Sharpfede namaZulu they are on form, but come on, iPirates is just superior. Now Tactically speaking, i-game plan yamaZulu was not bad, but it was a bit flawed, especially on the first half. That's why ucoach Atazwane ayishintshe yonke lento nge-second half, because nayibonile ukuthi hayi khona. So, amaZulu, they were so compact. I think we saw ukuthi they were so compact, they were playing on a low block, and they were so close to each other. So what they were doing is they were trying to force the Pirates to play through the wings. It's a tactic, pressing them from inside to outside. Pressing them from inside to outside, meaning bayabaphoqa ukuthi madoda hambani emasayidini niyogijima khona. But now doing that is a futile exercise, because iPirates is very strong kuma side, kuma wing play. I mean, it's one of their strongest plays, playing through the flanks. Umremi ukata in through his strong foot, ushaya cross, amaZulu are caught ball watching, Mfukeng ushaya net ngekhanda. Cabanga Mfukeng inet ngekhanda. You get me? But second half they tried to play some good football. Uhanamav was good. Ungwenya lapha phambili tried his best. Bese khona le outer bayifakile second half abathi maqokolo ugqoka 2 lapha ku amaZulu tried his best to ukhlupa iPirates. It's just that sekuyikona ukuthi iPirates ke inamandla ngendlela isimangaliso kule season ukuthi bawathatha pasazi. Kodwa ke great game for us neutral fans. I'm sure it was entertaining for Orlando Pirates fans, disappointing for ama fans amaZulu, kodwa ke induku ya wonke umuntu ayibandlululi, and amaZulu ayitholile. We were there, we witnessed it. Salute.
Umfukeng makakhuthuzwe maye ground nasoze akhuthuzwe nshi anda akekho umuntu odlala ngokukhuleka kangaka eground edlala nabantu abadala asoze uthembeni ngakhululeke kangaka egroundini no kukhona la ke kwahlikihla khona ibhola qede waleqisa kanti ndathi akahambi yedwa makakhuthuzwe yo amaZulu ayithengisile le goalkeeper nazi noma ucikekile noma kwenzakalani ngaye, ama ophethe ibhola akabaphasela abanye uphasa ama sekufuna yena sengasavela ngomnye. Ubani owane Afro ba animthandisi sango adlala eliPirates Afro naye ngomnye ufuna kubama ngaphumule pha.
Hayi mina ngishilo ukuthi amaZulu awahlangene nalento sobayenza yona. Thina just besetha istatement sibatshela ukuthi kahle leya position leya eyethu. iSundowns beyilokhu sibambele iumbrella, and then mayisiyalingana ama game. So niyabona ukuthi ubani manje indoda. Abafana bonke labangenzansi indoda ingaphezulu.
Okay, bafethu, that's it for video namhlanje. Before I continue speaking, bengicela bafethu ukuthi nibuke ama-ads. Like if you run into an ad, cela ukuthi ibuke. I'm not saying wabuke wonke ama-ads avelayo. Mangabuka nje at least a1, it would be enough for me. Like at least I would be able to make something, yabo. And see, going into the game, like the game very mnandi bafethu. I don't wanna lie. When South Africans say EPSL is the best league in Africa, I see issues ngoba sine infrastructure wara cha sikhuluma because of the type of players we have and the type of football we play. But you can't tell me ukuthi I will be entertained watching iPirates play. You can't tell me ukuthi Sundowns their previous seasons wasn't entertaining for you. You can't tell me ukuthi ama fans the Chiefs ne banter na lawayo, because Chiefs fans can banter, bruh, are entertaining, dog. So everything about the PSL is entertaining. You can't take that away from us. And enye into ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo ukuthi when I made a video about iPirates omaqeda ukushaya imagesi the other day, people were praising Mfukeng, and rightfully so. It deserves all the praise, ne? Someone commented that video and was like, we can't say Mfukeng is the best player with PSL because he's on and off. Mfukeng is on and off. Mhlampe mina ngoba phethu ngibhakabhaka ngiyamthanda Mfukeng, but ever since Mfukeng burst into the scene, angikaze ngathi no, Mfukeng is on and off, or manje akasenzi kahle. Because even this season, Mfukeng just literally came back from injury manje. Uthi makabuya injury waya ku AFCON. He played I'm sure 2 or 3 games waya ku AFCON. That was already enough for Hugo Bruce to be like, he's fit enough for AFCON. He's that good. Then someone says he's on and off. I'm like, kanjani? Because even this season, mfethu, uyaqala ukudlala manje Mofokeng for this season. Ubuya kinjani? They took him out for like a month or 2 months. And now Mofokeng is on and off. I wanna learn mfethu angeke mfethu angivume. On and off Mofokeng. Because if that guy plays, it's either a assist or a scorer or a pre-assist. Because phela manje sokhona izinto kuthiwa ama-pre-assist. Yabo? He's always involved in my goals, the Pirates Mofokeng. So you can't see he's on and off. You can't see he's on and off. Literally, Mofokeng right now is the face of South African football. Not the Pirates kuphela, the face of South African football. And the Pirates manje vele you're in the face of South African football vele manje. Because Sundowns is bad. Sundowns is horrible right now. And the Chiefs is literally trying to catch up to Sundowns in the Pirates manje. So right now we can safely say Pirates is the face of South African football. But now we sanvumelana nento engisho bafethu. So feel free to comment down below and tell me when ukuthi ucabangani. And enye into bafethu abona uSiyema, that guy. Hugo Broos had no business whatsoever not selecting uSiyema ku-AFCON. Because even the partnership yakhe noMbokazi, it was solid, bruh. We barely considered defending uSiyema noMbokazi. I didn't understand why uSiyema wasn't selected, but at the same time I wasn't phased because I was like, okay, cool. uBruce hasn't done that. But my performance la uSiyema keeps to like performing these days. I feel like he deserves to go to the World Cup, though. Honestly, I feel like Siyema deserves to go to the World Cup. And if he doesn't, now I'm gonna start questioning uBruce because I've never questioned uBruce before. But if he doesn't select Siyema for the World Cup, I'm gonna question him right now. And yeah, that's all I can say for game. The game was really, really entertaining. I enjoyed both halves, and we just have to love watching Paris play, bro. It's therapeutic, though. But it's therapeutic. Okay, next time I give me Chiefs and Stellenbosch. Make sure you guys subscribe, you comment, you share the video, and please watch the ads. And thank you for watching.